What's going on with the truckers? So on the way to work, I take the turnpike, and on the 869 right there, there's like this little loading area in Sunrise. Well, Highway Patrol, I see Sheriff Department, everyone's doing training over there today, and they're inspecting semi trucks. Around here. Whoops. Cool. Here today. You guys have an event today or something? Oh, training. Oh, okay. So all I have to say, mother truckers, if you are in the Florida area, definitely watch out. I don't know what they're doing, but I know always stay ready. But with that said, you don't want to be there when they're learning and training, and that's when they're going to be extra tough when they're giving these inspections. So mother truckers, hopefully this information helps. I just drove past it right now. It happened right now. Comment down below. Let me know if there's anywhere else across the nation that blitz safety trainings, things like this are happening, and so that we can let all these mother truckers know as well.